In this episode, we continue the next 2 steps in the series, how to define the financial year in Acumatica. In step 2, go to Finance module, open Master Financial Calendar feature. As we mentioned, the following financial years of operations will have the same structure as the first financial year, which has already been created in our previous lesson. So in this tutorial, we're going to create the current financial year in which we want to operate, which is 2020 in this case. On the Form toolbar, click Add New Record to create the 2020 financial year in the system. In the financial year box of the summary area, make sure 2020 is selected. Then, select the Generate Calendar button. In the dialog box, which opens, make sure that 2020 is entered in the From Year and To Year boxes, and click OK. As you can see, the system generates periods for the 2020 financial year. Now, move on to the next step, open the generated periods. Back to Finance module, open Manage Financial Period feature. Select Open option in the Action box of the summary area. On the Form toolbar, click Process All. The system opens the processing dialog box, and runs the process of opening periods. Now you can see, the financial periods for 2020 have been opened and activated. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video about how to specify cash management in Acumatica. Bihitsa, connecting applications, automating processes.